Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to convert friend requests into followers. First, click the menu bar at the right side corner. Then click Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Click the profile settings. Find and click the public post. Under the Who Can Follow Me, change it into public to allow anyone to follow your profile without sending a friend request. Then that's it. To check it if it changed into follow, go to your profile, then click the three dots, then tap on the View As. As you can see, it has now a follow button. Then that's it. That's how you convert friend requests into followers. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.